Do you know that saving too much can actually harm the economy? And saving too little can stop it from growing? There's a perfect balance. An economist called the golden rule of economic growth. Curious to know what it is? Let's dive in. Imagine a country where people are always thinking about the future. They save a big part of their income hoping for better growth. But the twist is, if they save too much, they're not enjoying the present. And if they save too little, the economy may not grow enough for the next generation. This balance between saving for tomorrow and spending for today is what the golden rule of economic growth tries to solve. So, what exactly is this rule? The golden rule of economic growth was introduced by Edmund Phelps, and it's often used with the Solow Growth Model. In simple terms, it says that the best savings rate is the one that maximizes long-run consumption per worker. That means not just growing the economy, but growing it in a way that gives people the highest possible standard of living in the long run. Let's break it down. If we save too little, we don't invest enough in machines, infrastructure, or future capacity. Future generations will have fewer resources and lower income. If we save too much, we invest a lot, but we're not consuming much now. That's like always preparing for the future and never living in the present. So the golden rule tells us, save just enough so we don't sacrifice today or tomorrow. So why do economists love this concept? Here are a few strengths. 1. Clear policy guidance. It gives policymakers a target to aim for. 2. Balances present and future. It respects both current needs and future generations. 3. Simplicity. Easy to understand and apply in models like Solow's. But real life isn't always so simple. The golden rule has some limitations too. It assumes we know the right savings rate, but that depends on things like technology, population growth, and productivity, which change over time. It doesn't look at inequality. Even if total consumption is high, some people might be left behind. Governments and people may have different preferences. Some may prefer saving more, others may want to enjoy now. So, should we follow the golden rule blindly? Not really. Think of it like a compass. It shows us a direction, not the exact path. Policymakers should use it as a reference point, but they also need to consider other real-world issues like fairness, public services, and economic shocks. In the end, the goal is simple. Grow the economy, yes, but grow it wisely. Watch video on efficiency wage theory, insider-outsider model of unemployment, menu costs, etc., given in the description or end screen.